essentially, no matter what the problem is, there are three different ways of solving that problem. I often say that because I kind of thought about it one day and I liked it so much. I said, something I must share with everybody,
Mhm.
that there are three different ways of solving a problem.
Mhm.
These are what I call Jugaad, Dhanda, and Panga. Now, Jugaad is a suboptimal solution, but we must have that because it's a question of life and death.
Mhm.
So it doesn't matter if I got the right thing, even if I got it 50% right, okay, and it saves a life,
Mhm.
then I would go for Jugaad,
Mhm.
right? With whatever available, with all my constraints, I'm not going to think very hard about it. I'm not going to say, hey, would this be acceptable in to Einstein or somebody? I don't really care, right? So Jugaad is that stuff that is solving the problem by hook or by crook under the constraints, and it is not an optimal solution, and I know that,
Mhm.
right? It's not like we need that jugaad. It's not like another story that I really like, and this is about Gautama Buddha. So somebody, he was telling his disciples, he said, look, if you are hit by a poison arrow, you don't write a big book saying who shot that arrow, what was the velocity of that arrow, what was the design of that arrow, why was it shot, was there a conspiracy, where did the arrow was made, and so on, right? What do you want to know? By Jugaad, you want to know the antidote to that poison.
Yeah.
Rest of it can wait,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
so when there are situations, for example, the one that we are going through, you don't worry about, okay, hey, you say, I want to make this tracking software or whatever it is, right? Tracing, tracking, I want to make it good, but don't wait on it forever, right? It has to be, no matter what the solution is, as long as you have a solution, you have to start with that and keep building on it, right? But the speed is of essence, and it's no point, criticizing and saying, hey, this is not optimal, I can do better. By all means, you can do better, please be my guest, do better, right?
Mhm.
And keep a positive attitude to everything that happens in times like this. Let's focus on things that we can do well, instead of saying, hey, this world is not so good, and so on, right? So now there's a jugaad. Now the second way of doing things is what I call panga, and panga means disruptive changes,
Mhm.
right? We are living through some disruptive changes. And so these are disruptive solutions to a problem, which is lateral thinking, what we call sometimes out of box, sometimes we call them creative. Creative actually has a different meaning in today's world. To me, creative actually means very quickly creating dots of knowledge which have not been connected before. So all the information, knowledge is out there, but it's very fragmented, right? So, but once I see that this domain of knowledge that I call by name ABC actually is connected to something which is very far, which I call XYZ, and people have not seen the relation between them before, right? So creating this connection is what I call creativity. Okay, something that people have not seen, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, but what I'm talking about here, Panga, is basically a disruptive change. And this happens, it sometimes happens by serendipity. Serendipity happens to those people who are able to grab it, right? It happens in our lives all the time. It's just that we ignore it because we are too scared of disruptive changes, right? We are too scared of anything new that comes in our head. We say, log kya kahenge, something like that. There is, in fact, I think an acronym for it, KYY or something, kya kahenge, something. I don't know. Somebody told me once. I said, what is KYY? You're saying log kya kahenge or something. You're saying, right? So we are creatures of our psychological comfort. Make no mistakes about it. So every time I change my shirt or the way I dress or my haircut or anything, it gets very stressful, right? So these disruptive changes, they are required all the time. While there's a crisis, when there's stuff like that, and if we can do things much faster, much better, much simpler, then this is one mode of problem solving. And the third mode of problem solving I talked about was dhanda.
Mhm.
Dhanda actually is a stable way of problem solving, okay, which is the mainstay in every society. We don't want too many disruptions also, that is true. I am not for anarchy. Okay, it's not to be interpreted to mean that I disrupt, anarchy. Most of the society works on continuity and stability,
mm,
right? This continuity and stability comes from dhanda. So I asked my friend, oh friend, dhanda kaisa chal raha hai? So
mm,
he would say, हाँ अगले साल 5% बढ़ जाएगा, right? So this is about having a stable platform and building on it year by year, right? So this is a mainstay of how we address problems. But we must not forget the two other extremes, which are Jugaad and Panga. And a balance between these three elements actually defines the success of any organization, any nation, any society over a period of time.